Hi guys, it's the first time doing an unboxing video. As you see, we already unboxed it. Maybe able to see that it's unboxing. It's too dark. I wonder if it's too dark for you guys. Hold on, I'll put closer to the light. Is that better? Okay, come on, Dad. You better turn on high quality for all my videos. So when gonna be done? Cause into like 15, it has to be over. Thus, it has to be over. And I'm gonna eat one garlic bread really quick. I'm gonna eat one garlic bread really quick. Cause this is one of my videos that was and the pizza video. Oh, sauce.
So already.
Oh, that's not bad.
Oh, nó gà rồi.
Oh. Unboxing.
I don't know how to do it.
Push rock here. Said push rock here.
I don't know how to do it.
Watch until up to.
Oh.